Good news, everyone! Google's latest feature is already rolling out across the United States. If you're curious and can't wait to try it, you can change your region to the US and search for something like, "What's the capital of France?" Spoiler alert, it's Paris. But hey, you probably won't need to mess with your settings for long. This cool new feature will be part of Google's regular experience before you know it. Now, let's talk about why this is a game changer. Imagine asking Google those tricky existential questions like, "What's the meaning of life?" Or, "What's the best pizza topping?" AI-generated answers can cut through the noise and give you something actually helpful, no endless clicking required. Here's where it gets even cooler. These answers might be personalized for you. Let's say you're planning a trip to New York City. Instead of a pile of links, Google might give you a neat little summary of the best things to do in the Big Apple. A virtual travel guide at your fingertips. Yes, please. But wait, not everything is sunshine and rainbows. This shift might not be the best news for content creators and publishers. If people get all the info they need straight from Google, websites could see less traffic. And let's be real, some of the best, most in-depth insights come from those hidden gems you find on page 2 of search results. There's also the question of accuracy. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Feed it garbage, and guess what? You'll get garbage answers. Misinformation could sneak in. And no one wants an AI confidently giving them wrong answers, like telling you pineapple is the ultimate pizza topping. And let's not forget about sneaky bad actors. Someone could flood the system with low-quality content designed to fool the AI. Google's engineers are undoubtedly on it, but it's something to keep in mind. The bottom line? This is just the beginning of a massive shift. AI isn't just changing how we search the web, it's changing everything. Industries, workflows, how we interact with technology. It's all being rewritten. And this Google AI feature, it's just step one on a very exciting journey. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'm the IT Samurai teacher, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.